The model DMS-TNT350 Disinfecting Mister from Pilot Rock is a complete, ready-to-use system which applies a disinfectant mist to many non-porous surfaces. This mist thoroughly coats the surface, won't run off, and doesn't require any scrubbing or wiping, which allows your staff to clean faster and more effectively. The unit arrives completely assembled on a convenient pre-galvanized steel base plate. The base plate aids in the portability of the unit, which can be easily moved to wheeled carts, wagons, and cargo beds of pickups or ATVs. The complete system includes a 2-gallon water tank, a hose reel with locking pin and 75-foot of high-pressure hose, 2 lengths of spray gun with an interchangeable misting nozzle, and a high-pressure electric pump with 25-foot of power cord. All of this is housed on a pre-galvanized steel base plate. Also included is 1 gallon of Quatsan disinfectant concentrate, along with a convenient measuring device. Disinfect a variety of surfaces quickly and efficiently. Use it indoors to sanitize break rooms, restrooms, or locker rooms. The disinfecting mister system works great on vending machines, exercise equipment, and other common spaces. The system even works great on many outdoor surfaces. Park equipment, cabin rentals, and picnic areas can quickly be sanitized using the TNT disinfecting mister system. Using the disinfectant misting system is a snap. Simply plug in the high-pressure pump to a 110-volt wall outlet, hit the reset button on the ground fault cord, turn the unit on, and go. 2 gallons of diluted solution goes a very long way. The application is a mist that lightly coats the surface. All treated surfaces must remain wet for 1 minute and then allowed to air dry. No water rinse or wiping is necessary and will not leave behind a residue. R.J. Thomas Manufacturing Company has over 60 years of experience designing and manufacturing safe and reliable products for parks, streetscapes, and campsites. Safety, durability, and functionality are always the top priorities of every product designed.